Hey there, CyberPulse community. Alan here, and today we're diving into some essential Windows PC shortcuts and tips to boost your productivity and make your computing experience smoother. Let's get started. What I wish I knew about boosting productivity on Windows 11 when I first started. Let's dive into some life-changing hacks. First up, let's talk about the Windows key plus D shortcut. Pressing the Windows key plus D instantly shows the desktop, minimizing all open windows. This is perfect for when you need to quickly access your desktop or hide your open applications in a pinch. Next, the Windows key plus L combination. This shortcut locks your computer, keeping your data secure if you need to step away for a moment. It's a simple yet powerful way to protect your privacy. Now, for tip number 3, we have the Alt plus Tab shortcut. Holding down Alt and pressing Tab allows you to quickly switch between open applications. This is especially useful when multitasking and you need to bounce between different programs. Our fourth tip is the Windows key plus E shortcut. Pressing Windows key plus E opens File Explorer, giving you immediate access to your files and folders. This is a great way to streamline your workflow and find what you need quickly. A tidy workspace means a tidy mind. Create custom folders and use tags to keep everything organized. Next, customize your taskbar to keep your favorite apps just a click away. Got multiple projects? Use virtual desktops to keep things separate and focused. And don't forget the magic of Windows Search. Find files and apps in seconds. Want more? Add widgets to your desktop for quick updates on weather, news, and calendar events. Then, supercharge your workflow with Microsoft Power Toys. Custom shortcuts and a productivity layout? Yes, please. Finally, activate Focus Assist to block out distractions. Customize your notification settings and stay in the zone. With these simple hacks, you'll turn your Windows 11 PC into a productivity powerhouse. Give them a try and watch your efficiency soar. So there you have it, folks. 5 simple but incredibly useful Windows shortcuts that can make your day-to-day computing a lot easier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to CyberPulse for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay secure and stay savvy. And finally, tip number 5, the Windows key plus I shortcut. This combination opens the settings menu, where you can adjust your system settings, manage devices, and personalize your Windows experience.